you would have a top-down analysis on this index transaction basically. So stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this analysis, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. It really means a lot. So whenever I want to analyze the market, it's advisable to start from the high time frames. It can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, and it can be the monthly time frame, whichever time frame in these three time frames. But we'll be starting from the monthly time frame on step index. So as we've seen here on the monthly time frame, the market has been on a downtrend, creating low highs and lower lows. So next thing we do is identify the key levels and zones the market formed. We got this level as a level of support, broke and turned resistance. This level was a level of support at this point. Market broke below it, retested, support, broke and turned resistance. So we have to identify this level. We have this level as well as a level of support. We got this little retest at this point. It was a break and retest at this level. So this little retest, this candlestick weak. So we can say this is a support level that got broken, turned resistance. And we have this level as well, a level of support here. We didn't get a clear retest on it, and we got this last level of support at this point. This last level of support, we could say, and the market is kind of reacting on this zone. You can say the market is trading on this level of support. The market is yet to break below it because this monthly candle is left with a few days to close, roughly 1 week to close, So in the closure of this monthly candle, we'll be able to determine if the market rejected on this zone or broke below it. So that's the market structure on the monthly time frame. So let's go to the weekly time frame to identify market zones and levels. So here on the weekly time frame, our current focus is at this point. There's a bearish market formation at this point on the weekly time frame. The market created the left shoulder here, the head and the right shoulder. So we could say that the market is likely to continue its bearish phase. We could expect more sales in the coming days and weeks and months on step index. Long-term sales expected because of this bearish formation we saw at this point. The market formed a reversal pattern. This is a bearish reversal pattern, a strong bearish reversal formation. This is a head and shoulders pattern. So we could expect more sales on step index in the coming days and weeks. So we got the neckline of this reversal pattern at this point, which I have to identify. You can see the market has broken below this neckline. There was a break below this neckline. So we've seen how the market reacted on this zone as a support. This was a level of support here, a level of support, a level of support at this zone. So this level of support got broken, as well as the neckline of this reversal pattern, it got broken. So we could expect the market to come give us a retest at this point. We could expect a retest at this zone. So let's look out for buy opportunities. Basically, let's look out for buy opportunities on step index for a possible move, a possible retest move at this point. So we're going to the data frame to have a look on market structure and formation at this point. So on daily time frame, we've seen that this is a strong level. Basically, it's clearly seen at this point. This identified level of support on resistance. So we can see that this level is a level of resistance, and we could expect a possible retest on it in the coming days. So let's watch out for step index. Let's watch out for possible buys at this point. We're looking out for short-term buys on step index basically. So I'm bullish at this point on step index. So that's the market structure on daily time frame. So what is forward time frame saying? All we have to do at this point is look out for possible buy opportunities, possible buy levels and zones on step index. So we've analyzed on the monthly time frame down to the forward time frame. So on this forward time frame on step index, we've seen that this market has been on a downtrend here. We've got this downtrend formation at this point, and you can assume this downtrend got broken. So let's identify the support of this level. So we got this little downtrend, this descending channel basically. Remember, looking at for buy opportunities. So we're looking at for possible buy structure at this current level, at this current point on step index. So the forward time frame is looking good for the buy. So what's the 1 hour time frame saying? So the 1 hour time frame, we have to identify our possible buy levels and zones. We have this level as a level of support, and we could expect possible buys from this zone. And we have a bullish order block as well at this point. So let's watch out for possible market approach on this level for the good buys on step index. And I'm also looking forward to taking this trade, and I'll give you guys an update if I'm to take the trade. So we've seen the market buy from as a support, a support, a support at this zone, a support. Market broke below it, broke above it. Now it's a support at this point. So in the break above this level, we have not gotten the clear retest on it. So let's expect the possible retest at this zone from this current level. Let's expect the market to give us a little move to the downside, for the good buys at this point. So let's watch out for step index, buy opportunity, possible buy opportunity basically. So you guys can see we've had our analysis from the monthly time frame down to the 1 hour time frame, and we've been able to identify a possible trade opportunity using price action market analysis. So smash like button for more market analysis like this, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for always engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day. Peace.